Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs Webmaster Tools for tracking ranking improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Ahrefs website. In the top navigation bar, click on the Tools option. Select Webmaster Tools from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the Ahrefs Webmaster Tools page. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password and click on Create Account. Once your account is created, log in to your Ahrefs dashboard. Now, locate the Add Your Website section. Enter the URL of the website you want to track. Click on that Add button to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your website ownership. Ahrefs offers several verification methods. Choose the method that works best for you, such as HTML file upload or DNS record. Follow the instructions provided for your selected verification method. If you opted for HTML file upload, download the verification file. Upload this file to the root directory of your website. If you chose DNS record, access your domain provider's control panel. Add the TXT record as specified by Ahrefs. After implementing the verification method, return to the Ahrefs dashboard. Click on the Verify button. Once your website is verified, you will gain access to various features. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, navigate to the Site Audit section. Set up your first site audit by clicking on New Audit. Enter a name for your audit and configure the crawl settings. Determine the depth and frequency of the audit based on your preferences. Click the Start Audit button to begin the process. Wait for the audit to complete, which may take a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.